Welcome, dear hearts. This is Karina Shah, and I want to share with you about a special online event I'm hosting on Tuesday, November 22nd, 2022 at 7 p.m. with our virtual sanctuary doors opening at 6:30 p.m. We've been through so much in the last few years, the last few months, the last few weeks. When I received the calling of the words that rose up in me, a mass convergence, it's something that wouldn't leave me alone. And so I decided to create an online event for all the beautiful people who I've had the opportunity to spend time with in my divine pollination communities, and clients and others who I've shared sacred space with. The calling of this profound event is an opportunity for us to encircle in our circles wherever we find ourselves on this earth, and to encircle our planet with a wave of divine rarefied grace. I will be offering sacred transmissions and overlighting blessings with an opportunity for you to stand in the center of a circle and a golden heart woven from the blessings and intentions of our being. I'm going to just have a little sacred sound for us in this moment, just to tune ourselves and prepare for this beautiful event. If it's beyond your time frame to join with us, just know that this event will be recorded and can be your gift through the registration of you. It is by love donation, so whatever you choose to offer, we will welcome you into our circle. All the details are below. So once again, dear hearts, if you feel called to be with us, we would so welcome you into the circle. Mark your calendar for November 22nd, 2022, 7 p.m. Arrive in the doors that are open at 6:30 p.m. Get yourself comfortable and be with us in a beautiful evening of deep mystery, messages, and miracles unfolding. Blessings. I'm Karina Shah. Check the link below for further details. Thank you. Wondrous hearts.